Welcome to the lovely city of Stamford. I will be spending a day exploring. Let's start off with the downtown. So my first impression of the downtown is that it's nice. I like it. The two words I would use to describe it is clean and artsy. This is definitely my favorite piece of art in the city. I've honestly seen nothing like this in my entire life.
Brother, is that you?
It is. What are you doing here?
You know, grabbing a juice. That's what you do when you come to Stanford. You gotta grab a juice at the Juice Kings. Ooh, tastes like I'm getting healthier.
There's also tons of great food in the downtown. I'm getting hungry just walking around, so we're gonna go to one of the best pizza spots in all of Stanford right now. Colony Grill is the name of the pizzeria, and Davey from Barstool Pizza Review came here and gave it a pretty high score.
Pizza review time. We are in Stamford, Connecticut now, 8-4. I love bar pizza. I love bar pizza. It's very, very good.
Our pizza has arrived. I've been looking forward to this the entire day.
I want to eat this pizza, but we gotta vlog about it first. So I got the pizza with the hot oil. There's like serrano jalapeno peppers on here, onions, and sausage. This is the slice. Oh wow, I like it. I like it a lot.
Now it's my turn to try the pizza. I got hot oil, pepperoni, and sausage.
How's everything so far, guys?
8.3. To burn off all those calories from that pizza, I decided to take a walk through Mills River Park. This place is pretty cool. It's been recently redone. You have the skyline all the way in the background here, and on top of that, I'll show you really quick, there's also a great view of the river that runs by here as you walk through the path. It's only open on Saturdays and Sundays. Unfortunately, today is Friday, so I took a short 10-minute drive to this amazing park called Cove Island. You can see it in the background right here. And just on the other side is the entire ocean. It's quite spectacular, I have to admit. There's 2 public beaches on this island, and I don't think there's a better place to see the sunset in Stanford. I am currently at Harbor Point. You can see in the background here, we found these cool neon bluish purple lights, and you can see the other side of the harbor over there. It's quite a spectacular place. Chris, what do you think of the harbor?
Listen, this Harbor Point, it shows what happens when you really take time and effort and put care into developing an area. There's
This is a newer development of the city.
A lot of big money has come in here, but it does serve as a model for what is possible in our state. It's got a really slick, clean look to it. In the meantime, we found these crazy blue lights. What?
Such a cool shot. I love it.
This is what the cotton candy generation does. As much as this Instagram wannabe model thinks so. Please fall. Please fall on your butt. You gonna jump off or not?
Oh, you want me to do that? Okay. This might be a really bad idea.
Oh, almost. Almost.
I survived the great swings of Harbor Point.
We're out here in the downtown area. We got a nice Christmas tree getting ready for the holidays. But you can kind of see it's a well-developed place. Lacks a little bit of charm. There's more charming places in the state, but it's cool to see something built up like this, that's for sure.
I'm I'm in Stamford Town Center. It is a nice mall. I don't really need to buy anything, but we're gonna pick one random store and we're gonna check it out together. They might be closed, but we're gonna try to go in. I was still able to get in, luckily. If I got to pick one place in the world to travel to right now, it would probably be Japan. If not Japan, then I would definitely go to New Zealand. I'm impressed with the amount of lights that Stanford has during December. It's quite impressive. All around the town you see stuff like this, different colors, different themes. They've done a good job with this stuff. Stanford is an underrated city, and for me personally, it is definitely my new favorite city in the state of Connecticut. You know what this place reminds me of with all these lights? Six Flags Holiday in the Park. If you haven't already, check out my latest video here where I actually explore Six Flags Holiday in the Park all by myself. Trust me, it's worth watching.